Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today we are going to be making cube steak, which is so easy but so yummy, and we're going to be making potatoes with sauteed onions. But first, I need to add something to my wardrobe. That's better. Look at that. My snazzy little apron. All right. Now we can get cooking. Our ingredients are going to be the star of the show, which is the cube steak. We're going to bread that with flour. Our seasonings are going to be our Cajun, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, parsley, some salt and pepper, of course butter, because that makes everything better, olive oil, onions, and potatoes. First things first, I'm going to start with my potatoes. I went ahead and rinsed them off. Now I'm going to cut them up, get them in the frying pan because they take a lot longer than the cube steak does. I typically do 5 potatoes for our family because Abby will have 2 servings of potatoes. The girl loves her some potatoes. I'm going to cut my onions right after this and we'll get that going. It's going to be sizzling. It's going to smell good. That way your family is excited because they know that good stuff's coming ahead. All right, so my onions and my potatoes are cut. I know, what are these ridiculous things you have on your face? If you're new here, these are my onion goggles. My eyes are so sensitive to onions, nothing works. None of the tricks, none of the old wives' tales, these work. If you need these in your life, I'm going to put them down in my Amazon affiliate link in the description below this video. Get you some. I'm telling you, it's worth it. They're worth it. And they come with a really cute case. So we've got this all cut up. Let's go ahead and put it in the frying pan with some olive oil and a little bit of butter. I'm just going to mince up a little bit of garlic here, probably 3 cloves. I will add some garlic salt as well, or garlic powder as well. Potatoes are pretty bland, so you want to have good seasonings on it. So you're going to go ahead and put your olive oil on the potatoes, just enough to kind of coat the top layer. It's almost like you're frying these potatoes. Then you're going to add your Italian seasoning. Now all the seasonings that I'm doing, you're going to do them to your taste buds. So if you like more, great. If you don't, then you don't have to put as much. Then we're going to add our parsley. This time I'm using pink Himalayan salt. You can use regular salt if that's all you have. And then a little bit of pepper. Now don't do too much pepper because in the past I have been known to make them a little too spicy. So you're going to do that. You're going to turn the potatoes and then you're going to do that regimen all over again because the potatoes on the bottom need the same love that the potatoes on the top got. And then you just put your lid on your pan and let that set while you're doing the rest of your meal. We are going to get this cube steak breaded. What I like to do is I like to take flour, add my Cajun seasoning. Again, the taste is up to you. I just add it like that. Then I'm going to take the spoon and kind of mix it up. You don't want just plain flour. So mix it up and then do another level, another layer, okay? You're going to take this same seasoning and go over your cube steak. Now normally when you're doing a breading, you would have an egg wash, but we don't do that for this. You just take this. I'm going to season the other side while I have that down. Because you don't need it to be thick. Just kind of give it a little push. You push it. You push it real good. Y'all know what that reference is? If not, I just sound ridiculous. I told y'all this is going to be easy. This is an easy meal. And your family will think, oh my goodness, what's she been down there doing? She's so fancy. Okay, it's quiz time. You're going to sprinkle, flip, sprinkle again. Don't take 2. flip it, push. You can put a little on top. Repeat. And that's what you keep doing over and over until you have however many cube steaks you need. We like to make more because that way we can have leftovers. I can send some with the kids for lunch, whatever it is that you need to do. And this is a pretty good, like, cheap meal. It's not too expensive. So if you want steak, this could be, you know, some people call it hamburger steak. They might have a gravy with it. I don't do that just because, I don't know, we like it like this. So that's what we do. Comment down below though if you have a different recipe. I'd like to hear it. So I cut up 1 onion just to give it a little more flavor. I mean, flavor's good. That's the fun part of cooking. So you're just going to put that in your pan. Then I'm going to take a couple of tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to put that in my pan. I'm just going to cut it right here out of my hand. I'm sure this is against like the professional rules, but we do what we want on this channel. Okay? Oh yeah, buddy. Just take your tongs, move that around. Give the pan some love. You want to have a good little base before you put your cube steak in there. Okay. Then you're just going to take your steak, lay it right on top. You're just going to squeeze as many as you can in the pan all together. It's going to be good, y'all. So you can probably fit 4, which is good. I think that'll be 2 rounds. Okay? So you're just going to put those in there and let them just get happy. Then you can come over to your potatoes. Ooh, buddy. This is where the family starts asking, is dinner ready yet? And you can see that they're getting soft. That's what we want. Just kind of move them around. So right now you're on standby. So you can go have a glass of wine or read a book or whatever you want to do. Tell your family that you're going to go fold some laundry and you can have some quiet time. That's my go-to. Laundry never gets folded, but they think I'm doing it all the time. I told you it was easy. This is a great meal, guys. I know you're gonna like it. Give it a try and let me know how your family likes it. We typically like to pair this with sour cream for the potatoes, and we'll put some shredded cheese on top. Or if you have the kids, I know Isaiah likes to put ketchup, but it just ruins it. Sour cream and cheese is where it's at. For the hamburger steak, I'll either use A1 sauce or I'll take a little raw horseradish, mix it with some sour cream, and then you have like a creamy horseradish. So good. So good. You can also buy the horseradish already prepared like that, but it's just fun to do it by yourself. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. We are growing every day, and I just can't thank you guys enough. Thank you all for those that have ordered my aprons. You can find that link down below if you are interested. They come in all different colors. So hit me up, let me know. And thank you guys. We will see you next time. Bye.